Okay, how's everybody doing? Today I will talk about gold, I will talk about the US dollar, about the Japanese yen, cryptocurrencies, also US equities, because let's take a look here. Later in less than 10 minutes we'll have the US final gross domestic product, GDP, unemployment claims, final GDP price index. So all these should have a big impact on the financial markets, should move the markets. First of all, guys, please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. So support if you have questions about services, subscription, and other questions about brokerage companies. So later we'll have the US data, and the final GDP 2.7% growth expected. Unemployment claims, yeah, it's expected worse compared to the previous reporting period, but let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the economic data, and let's start with the DXY. Dollar index, yeah, it has rebounded a little here in the short term, but only a temporary rebound right now. It seems actually it has taken out the former low, the support, and but let's wait for the economic data, because it's premature to, because maybe taking out the support here could signal potential downside movement, downside continuation in the short term. The pressure is still high, guys, also after opening here with a gap down. Okay, gap down. The price, the dollar index tried to close this gap, but it has failed, signaling a strong downside pressure. So maybe potential US dollar shorts. Let's take a look. Euro USD, but maybe here on Euro USD we've missed something in the short term here, after this candle, after this pin bar, which it was confirmed. Right now, no, I don't want to buy it here at market. Probably I'll wait for retreats before I will go long on the Euro USD again, because right now it's too close. Actually, it's almost to hit these former highs. Maybe I would like to see a retreat, a correction. Maybe if the price will come back down here to test, retest, or here maybe something like this, or an accumulation consolidation, because if the economic data will come in better than expected, then we cannot exclude a potential sell-off, as the DXY could jump higher in the short term. Yeah. Okay, so British pound, US dollar. British pound, US dollar, yeah, a temporary retreat after reaching, or after registering only false breakouts above the former high 1.2361. But yeah, let's take a look here. Yeah, right now British pound, US dollar rallied only because the DXY extended its sell-off. Maybe, yeah, personally, maybe I would have liked a deeper retreat here and then to rebound. I'll wait also here, because I don't want to buy it right below 1.2361. If the price takes out this resistance, accumulation, consolidation, or after jumping above it, correction, then I will look for longs. Richard, hi, how are you? You don't have crypto live trading entertainment, because personally I'm not managing those groups. Yeah, I don't have time to manage those groups as well, to go live yeah, for cryptocurrencies as well. But yeah, if you have questions, we can take a look here also. Yeah, and as I've said, we'll take a look also on cryptocurrencies as always, personally. But yeah, maybe only on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, I don't know, Dogecoin, Shiba, yeah, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, yeah, on on majors, yeah, on major cryptocurrencies, right, on Bitcoin and major altcoins. About Bitcoin, please take a look here, yeah. Let's take a look here on Bitcoin. Sideways movement, right? Sideways movement. This range could represent the potential upside continuation pattern. Is trapped between 26,707, 28,937, 36, and yeah, after failing to close or to make a new lower low here, it has signaled a strong rally, but maybe in the short term, personally I would have liked to see a retreat, the price to come back down to retest here, and then to extend its growth. But right now, taking out the resistance and the new higher high, the signal potential for the growth. So personally, yeah, I'm looking maybe for longs on cryptocurrencies, on Bitcoin, and if you're interested in crypto trading using that learn to trade algorithm, yeah, you can visit our website as well. You can visit our website, yeah, learn to trade crypto trading bot. Okay, if you want to, of course, if you want to use this algorithm, yeah, it's up to you guys. It's up to you, right? So about Bitcoin, yeah, in my opinion, strong upside pressure. Maybe after this strong rally, personally I would have liked to see a retreat or an accumulation consolidation, but maybe Bitcoin will make something like this here, okay, breakout, accumulation, consolidation, and then it could extend its growth, yeah, at least towards the psychological level, or higher towards this former highs, yeah. Okay. What about gold? Let's take a look on gold. Yes, I've said, yeah, it's still bullish, strongly bullish in the short term. Maybe personally I will delete my drawings here. Yeah, it has failed to come back down to retest maybe this demand zone or border block. Right now it challenges here, and maybe this is my maybe this could be my scenario for a potential long breakout here above the former highs, and then if it will come back down to retest here, then I will try to go long. I'm waiting for a big retracement on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's just me. Yeah, Godspeed Freeman. That was only my opinion. Was only my my analysis. And here gold, I've told you I don't want to buy it right now here around the former highs. I would like the price to take out here and then to come back down, and then I will look for longs here in gold. So this is my opinion about gold. It's still bullish, okay, strong rally, retreat, a new rally. It came back to retest this area, retreat. It's bullish, okay, it's bullish. Gold, it's bullish only because the DXY is it's still bearish, okay. Please take a look here. It's strongly bearish right now, okay. 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 So let's refresh the economic calendar, because in less than 1 minute we'll have we keep our existing VIP signal in gold. Charles, I don't know, that was not my trade, okay. So every time I have a pending order or a trade, or yeah, I will update about that trade. So it's not my trade, I don't know, yeah. You'll have to wait for that trader to come back to you with an update. Okay, let's refresh here. One moment. Apologies. No, don't worry. It was not my trade. So you will see my name under my work, under my 2.6 growth only. So yeah, worse than expected data. I believe that maybe the dollar index could extend itself. I will send the economic data also in the VIP group. So let's try to identify something. Okay, maybe it remains to see if gold will come back down. But yeah, personally, I would like to see something like a retreat correction before extending its growth. After yeah, better than expected data. Sorry, worse than expected data. Final GDP 2.6% growth versus 2.7 expected, 2.7 in the previous reporting period. Unemployment claims 198,000, above 196,000 expected. What, Daniel? Let's refresh here. Yeah, final GDP price index in line with expectations. Okay, so yeah, maybe the price of gold is still strongly bullish. But as I've said, I'll wait for a retreat. I'll wait for a temporary correction, and then I will look for longs. Also here, yeah, it's, I don't want to buy it at market. As I've said, I'll wait. So please, Daniel, stop sending messages about other groups or channels, because I will kick you out. I will block you. Okay, so I'm not too interested in other groups, or yeah. Yeah. British pound, US dollar. British pound, US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look, because maybe let's see if we'll have something like a probability trade. What do you think about holding crypto? It's up to you, right? Rock, what about gold order from this morning? As I've said, Rock, that was not my setup, that was not my trade, so we'll have to wait for that trader to come back to you with an update, right? US dollar, Japanese yen. US dollar, Japanese yen basket. So when you will see my name under my work, yeah, you will also have my updates about my losing trades, about profitable trades, about everything, okay? Or I will come back with my management all the time, okay? Japanese yen basket is still bearish, and yeah, let's take a look. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Someone asked me about this market. Yeah, but personally, maybe I'll wait because yeah, yesterday I've tried to catch a potential Japanese yen long, and yen basket again. Let's take a look. Maybe I'll wait for the yen basket to end. Okay, for the yen basket to end its sell-off, maybe here above above this level, or here. Okay, above this level. So when this this sell-off will be over, maybe right now, maybe I don't want to to go along Australian dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, or Euro Japanese yen, because maybe I'll wait for the Japanese yen basket to end its sell-off, and then it should develop a leg higher, a new leg higher, swing higher, and then I will try to identify Japanese yen longs. Okay, Japanese yen longs. Yeah, right now valid breakout below the lower medium line, new lower low, and yeah, as long as it stays below the medium line, it could still extend. So maybe let's take a look. Maybe we still have something like a Japanese yen short, right? But as I've said, maybe personally I would like to wait maybe for the Japanese yen basket to end its sell-off, and then to look for Japanese yen longs. Do you have any direct message account on Telegram where we can discuss some analysis? No, no, we don't have something like that, unfortunately. And also don't forget, guys, that you cannot contact us directly, unfortunately, because there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there, fake accounts. So the only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support. Okay, this is the only way, guys. This is the only way. Euro Japanese yen, but yeah, it's too late right now. It's too late to go long. I don't want to buy it right below this this key level. Maybe I will look for shorts if it will print a bearish pattern here around this key level. Yeah, also here maybe we've missed something after printing this this pin bar, yeah, in the morning. Potential long, but right now maybe I'm looking also on, only for shorts. Yeah, it challenges British pound Japanese yen, it challenges this border block supply zone, but let's wait, because personally I don't want to sell every supply or resistance. I don't want to buy every demand or support, right? Because it could the price could invalidate it, and then it could extend its growth. Okay, or maybe if you do like open chat, or some posts you have open chat sometimes to discuss. So please please send an email to support, guys. I don't know, maybe the company, it's not my company. Okay, so yeah, and if you have this kind of requests, I don't know, maybe but as I've said, right now we don't have something like this. What does Euro look like? Richard, we've talked about Euro USD, and I said that it's strongly bullish, and I said that I don't want to do anything right now. I'll wait for retreats, for corrections. For retreats and corrections before I will consider going long, right, on Canadian dollar Japanese yen. So Euro USD again, yeah, it's strongly bullish, strongly bullish, but here we had an opportunity to go long. Right now, no, I don't want to buy it at market. I don't want to do anything right now. I'll wait for corrections, for retreats before I will go long again. I don't want to buy it right below this this former higher supply zone. It would be nice to have this option on VIP. Okay, it's not my call, guys. I'm here only as an analyst, as a trader. So yeah, it's not my call. But as I've said, then unfortunately you cannot contact us directly, because yeah, maybe there are fake accounts, fake groups on Telegram, a lot of scammers. So that's why no, you cannot talk to me. You can't talk to me. You cannot talk to me directly, because maybe someone else will contact you directly with my name. So yeah, no. If someone with my name contacts you, it is not me. Okay, you need to understand this. Okay, that's why this is the rule here. Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, guys, on Telegram. Okay, Euro USD. Yeah, worse than expected data. That's why we have a strong rally. Euro, I think it will come to 1.85. Yeah. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait to see how it will react. And but yeah, as a first reaction, after its strong rally, or actually, yeah, after worse than expected data, this was the first reaction, natural reaction in the short term. And as I've said, maybe I'll wait for retreats, for corrections. Actually, here from around the former highs, maybe I will look for potential shorts, of course, because I've told you I would like to see a retreat before I will go long. Okay, before I will go long again. And yeah, maybe I will catch also a sell-off. Okay, yeah, 1.0850. Yeah, so I'll wait to see how it will react here. Okay, a bearish pattern, false breakouts with great separation, or any other bearish pattern here could signal that sell-off, that downside movement, because after a strong rally we should have a retreat or a correction here in the short term. Okay, okay, first day in VFP. Do you guys trade for the US Open? Daniel. Yeah, if I will have something, I will place a trade. I will share the trade in the VIP group. If I don't have a high probability setup or trade, no, I will not do anything for the US Open. Okay, I will not place trades only because it's US Open, London Open, I don't know. Yeah, if I don't have something really good. Okay. Okay. Ethereum, and I will take a look also on US equities. Yeah, Ethereum sideways movement in the short term. Yeah, sideways movement only because Bitcoin moved sideways in the short term. Maybe I will delete these drawings. Yeah, in my opinion, also Ethereum, it's still bullish, and yeah, after this rally, temporary retreats or accumulation consolidation could signal potential further growth in the short term on Ethereum. Okay, it has taken out all these former highs. So that's why a retreat or an accumulation consolidation was important. Yeah, in the short term, and also the price took the liquidity maybe here, and right now it has rallied. So yeah, my opinion also here, Ethereum. Ethereum. So personally, I'm not sending trades, guys, on cryptocurrencies. I'm not managing the crypto groups, but yeah, as I've said, maybe I'm looking for potential longs, maybe after a strong accumulation consolidation or a retreat. Yeah, looking for longs on Ethereum. US 100. Big drop in gold. Richard, gold is on retracement. Let's take a look. So that's why, guys, that's why I told you guys, I told you that I don't want you to buy it there, and I don't want to buy it around that high. Please take a look what happened. Yeah, sell off, and I said, guys, that I'll wait maybe for a retreat, for a correction, before I will try to go long, and I will keep an eye maybe on this zone here, okay, in the short term, and because it could retest it before developing any bullish momentum, or from here again, but yeah, also maybe from here. Let's take a look. Yeah, so I talked about this retreat. I've said we have here an potential high probability order block and supply zone sell-off, and after this this sell-off retreat will be over, I will look for longs. Let's take a look actually on the dollar index, on the US dollar again. Yeah, but it's still under pressure. It's still under downside pressure, guys. But it has reached this strong bullish candle, strong buyers here. That's why temporary maybe reaction in the short term, but it's premature maybe to go long on the US dollar. Okay, so personally I will keep an eye here on Euro USD, and probably it will Euro USD could end its rally around this zone. It could turn to the downside, and only then I will look for potential longs. Maybe I will catch something like a US dollar long. So PG, I'll keep you out if you are talking about other groups or companies here in my chat. Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah. But maybe I will catch something like a retreat here on Euro USD. Let's take a look. US 100, US 30, and if I don't have something really good, I will come back later with something, because yeah, US 100. Maybe I will delete my drawings. US 100 rallied. But also here, maybe I would like to see retreats, correction or something, before I will look for potential longs, or yeah, or if it makes only false breakouts here, I will look for potential shorts. But right now, yeah, US 30, US 100 rallied, US 30 rallied in the short term, only because the dollar index crashed. Okay. Only because personally I'm using this correlation. Maybe it's not a really good one, or it's not a strong negative correlation, but personally I'm using this correlation between the dollar index, the US dollar, and US equities. Okay. And if the dollar index will turn to the upside, then I will look for potential shorts on US equities. US 500. Same here. maybe I will look only for shorts after ending this upwards movement, only because I told you guys, if the dollar index will turn to the upside after reaching the former lows, or maybe this zone, this area, if it stays maybe probably above 103.0808, right, after this sell-off, we could have a rebound. But right now, yeah, the dollar index is strongly bearish. It has extended its sell-off as the US reported poor economic data, worse than expected data. Okay, so I probably will have to wait here for the dollar index to end its sell-off, then its sell-off before turning to the upside, and only then I will look for US dollar longs, and then I will try to identify also US equities shorts. Okay, selling opportunities and setups on US 100, US 30, US 500. Okay, US oil. US oil. US oil. I don't know if I want to buy it, or maybe I will wait for short opportunities. Because if the US dollar appreciates also versus the Canadian dollar, then maybe US oil and crude oil can turn to the downside in the short term. So right now we'll wait to see how it will react here. Okay, because a bearish pattern maybe here, false breakouts, or yeah, could signal a potential downside movement, and only maybe taking out and invalidating the supply zone, taking out maybe that resistance may signal potential for the growth. But right now I don't have a high probability setup. Okay, I don't have a high probability setup. Silver, yeah, pin bar. It has developed a pin bar.